embedding an Amazon A store into Facebook. At one point or another, you'll realize that you will start using social media to promote your Amazon affiliate, whether by using the social media icons in the Amazon Associate site strip or by creating your own social media page. And because of that, the Amazon Affiliate Program has included a feature that will allow you to easily promote a lot of products right from your Amazon affiliate social media profiles with the use of A stores. Amazon A stores will allow you to feature Amazon affiliate links into your Facebook page in the form of a single online store, and they're really easy to integrate. In this video, we are going to show you how to do it with a few clicks of your mouse. Getting started. Log into Facebook and type http://apps.facebook.com/static_html_plus/ on the address bar. Now click on the Add Static HTML to a Page button. Click on the Facebook Pages drop-down menu to select the Facebook page where you will embed your A store. Then click on the Add Page tab button. After this step is completed, you will be redirected to a new setup page from where you will integrate your Amazon A store. Click on Setup tab to get started by deleting the text in the index.html field. Creating the A store. Now go to your Amazon Associates account. In the Product Linking tab, click on A Store and then on Build an A Store Now in the following screen to create and personalize your new A store. Start personalizing your A store by selecting categories to display products from the Amazon inventory. Click on Add Category Page, and in the Enter Title field, enter the name of your category as you want it to appear on your A store. You can add products to this category either by adding individual products or by adding products per Amazon.com category, which is the option that we recommend. Click on Continue when you finish setting up this step. Now you have to customize the presentation of your page. Here you can select your A store's theme, page background color, headers, content background color, body text, and link color. Here you can also name your A store and configure the A store header to show your A store's name or some other text. Click on Continue when you are done customizing your A store's presentation. In the next section, you will have to select your A store's sidebar placement and widgets. You can place your sidebar at the right side or the left side of your A store. You can also select which widgets to show on which pages. The selection here will mostly depend on your discretion. So let's click on Finish and Get Store Link. In this final step, you will be presented with 3 embedding options. Simple link to my store as a standalone site, embed my store using an inline frame, and embed my store using a frame set. Because you are going to embed your A store on a Facebook page, select the Embed my store using an inline frame and copy the code that has been generated. Embedding your A store. Go back to the Facebook tab control panel and paste the code in the index.html field. Now you will see a warning message which only means that you have to optimize this code for Facebook. To do so, simply apply the following modifications to the code. Add an S to HTTP to make it HTTPS, which is used by browsers to run security checks. Change the width value to 815px and the height value to 1200px. Change the scrolling value to yes. Once you have made these modifications, scroll up and click on Save and Publish. Go back to your Facebook page and click on the Welcome tab. As you can see, your A store is now integrated into your Facebook page. You can edit the name of this tab from Welcome to something appropriate for your A store by going to Settings, clicking on the Edit Page tab. Scroll down to the Tabs section and click on the Settings button on the Welcome tab. Then on Edit Settings to change the tab name to something that better resembles your A store. Save, click OK, and save again. Now your A store is all set. What's Amazon.com all about? Let's get started by saying that we are pretty sure that each one of you watching knows what Amazon.com is. But in the unlikely event that we have someone among you who doesn't, we can easily tell what it is in a few words. Amazon.com is the single largest e-commerce retailer in the world. That's right. Amazon.com is the leading platform in the electronic retailer industry, and millions of people around the globe enjoy its unparalleled quality of service and reach on a daily basis. But is that all there is to know about Amazon.com? Well, while the truth is that Amazon.com has built its reputation around being the most popular superstore that you can find on the internet, it is also true that it is much, much more. And you might find yourself surprised about the things that it has achieved. So let's find out. Transformations. Amazon.com is all about providing the best that it can, be it delivering great service or products, but it is also about empowering people from all walks of life by allowing them to use its unique platform in order to fuel their passion, earn a well-deserved living, and transform their lives. Opportunities. Transforming people's lives is not possible if they are not given opportunities to do so. And that is why Amazon has made its platform available for people that want to unleash their ideas and create something that others can find in the Amazon marketplace. Here, your imagination is the limit. Economic impact. People all around the world are using Amazon to grow their businesses, which has had a positive economic impact not only for the people using the platform to fulfill their dreams, but also on their communities and on the people that they reach through their enterprising efforts. In the community, Amazon wouldn't be as big as it is now if it weren't because of its people, and so the company is putting an enormous effort into giving back to the communities that have helped it thrive, with special consideration to those communities where its employees and customers live. Innovation. Amazon doesn't only want to be the best online store there is, it also wants to make e-commerce and technology better overall for everyone, including its competition. That is why it has introduced innovations such as drone delivery, one-click ordering, and Amazon Fresh. Working at Amazon. Amazon is a workplace that is geared towards pushing for excellence and focused execution. Everyone from builders, inventors, and innovators are invited to experiment and to perform at their best in order to delight customers and to deliver the kinds of services that Amazon is known for. Sustainability. Amazon is on one hand all about making a good profit, but using a good sum of those profits on making this a better world is its real return on investment. That said, Amazon is putting forth great efforts to achieve 100% renewable energy usage for its business. Why Amazon affiliate marketing is your best choice. So far, you've been able to see how it is that Amazon.com can be a goldmine for anyone interested in putting in the effort to help Amazon push sales of products in its own marketplace. But you are also aware that Amazon did not invent this business practice. In fact, affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to monetize web content, and there are people out there killing it with what are commonly known as CPA, or cost per action networks, and you might be tempted to try that out too. But the truth is that as good as CPA networks are, they come with their own disadvantages, one of them being how difficult it is to get started on any CPA network. Another disadvantage of promoting CPA offers from these networks is that they sometimes can look spammy. As an Amazon affiliate, though, you will have the backing of the most recognizable brand in the online retail space, and people won't think twice on clicking any link that leads to an Amazon product page because everybody loves and trusts Amazon to an insane degree. So let's take a quick look at reasons why Amazon affiliate marketing is the best choice for you. Amazon is a trusted brand. We already mentioned that Amazon is a loved and trusted brand. But how far does this go? Well, Amazon.com is the #1 e-commerce retailer, visited by over 250 million people in any given month. Ask anyone where they last bought something online, and they will tell you that they did it on Amazon. High commissions that add up. With a base rate of 4%, you might think that making money on Amazon would take you a lot of time. But keep in mind that these rates add up with each sale, and the rates can go up to 10% depending on the product category. You earn by each sale, not by product. Basically, every affiliate network out there will pay you only when you make a sale for a specific product or service. But Amazon makes you money for every purchase made by anyone that lands on Amazon through any of your affiliate links. So it doesn't matter if you're promoting treadmills and somebody instead buys a TV through your Amazon affiliate link. You make money off each sale. This means that if someone ends up making a $5,000 purchase through a link leading to a $10 product, you still make a commission off that $5,000 sale. It is easy to set up. Becoming an Amazon affiliate will take you only about 5 to 10 minutes of your time. You will simply need to log into your Amazon account, then sign up to the Amazon Associates program, and you're good to go. The days of waiting a week to be accepted into an affiliate network are over. Besides, it's really easy to integrate the affiliate links to your affiliate sites. Promoting your Amazon affiliate website, Part 2. In our latest video, we showed you how to easily promote the most profitable content in your Amazon affiliate website by using a series of high-converting yet easy-to-apply methods that would not require you to shell out any money and that would only require you to put in a bit of technical effort. And in this video, we're going to show you a series of online tools that can help you to promote your Amazon affiliate website without having to worry about going over budget. The rating widget plugin. Although it's super amazing and very important to make your content rank on top of Google result pages, it can happen that sometimes your content can be lost among results if people are looking after something too specific, which will make them dismiss some results, including yours. The rating widget plugin will help you to avoid this by allowing you to directly insert a star rating system into your WordPress posts, which will highlight your content among others on search engine results. The Sumo plugin. The Sumo plugin is a free lead capturing tool that will allow you to offer to your affiliate site visitors an easy way to sign up for a newsletter or email list so you can use email marketing to promote your Amazon affiliate website. SumoMe has additional features besides easy newsletter signups, such as a heat map feature that will allow you to see where your visitors are clicking so you can study their behavior and prepare better marketing strategies. The Queries plugin. Queries is a free plugin that will allow you to insert micro surveys on your Amazon affiliate websites, which can help you to discover stuff about your visitors, such as purchasing habits, demographics, time spent on the internet daily, and perhaps even their income brackets. The Thank Me Later plugin. Most of the time, people make comments on a website and forget about it, but this is a plugin that will allow you to send thank you emails to people after they leave a comment for the first time on your site, which is great because it increases engagement and repeating visitors. The Dig plugin. This plugin will allow you to insert social sharing buttons that will make it easier for your visitors to share your content on basically any of the social platforms that matter, which is great if you want others to socially promote your Amazon affiliate website without you asking. The WP Touch mobile plugin. Having a fully responsive website has become more important than ever, and it's quite surprising that even big platforms such as Google AdSense just recently introduced mobile ad units, which is leaving a lot of money out on the table for internet marketers. The WP Touch mobile plugin is the answer to that. Just install it on your WordPress site and boom, you now have a fully responsive site to easily promote your mobile traffic.